Hi everyone. So today we are going to start new topic, electromagnetic induction. So we have finished electrodynamics topics, all the topics. Electrostatics we finished, then current electricity, then magnetic effects of electric current, magnetism, pure magnetism and matter. And right now we are going to discuss electromagnetic induction, and eventually we will move on to alternating current, AC. Okay. So I would like to give you an introduction about electromagnetic induction first. So what is exactly the electromagnetic induction? What is that phenomenon? Is it a phenomenon? Or it sounds like a phenomenon, right? It sounds like something. Okay, let's discuss what is exactly electromagnetic induction. And one more thing I would like to tell you. I would like to start this discussion from the previous chapter, magnetic effects of current. Okay. So where I have told you that is the first thing we have learned in magnetic effects of current, that is Easter's experiment. Okay, Easter's experiment. What was Easter's experiment? What was Easter's experiment? We all know that Easter's experiment was, that is, whenever there is a the result of Easter's experiment. You know what is that experiment, and accidentally Easter found out something. Yeah, you know that. So what the result of Easter's experiment, that was like whenever there is a current passing through a conductor, there will be a magnetic field. There will be a magnetic field around it, and we discussed how much magnetic field will be there, and the direction and the rules, etc., etc. And after this experiment, I told you at that time, that is, this is the beginning of some absolutely marvelous things or experiments or the results or some particular inventions. Okay, so this is something phenomenal thing is going to happen after that. So what happened? So after that, like the scientist community, like most of the scientists were thinking in the reverse process, thinking about the converse process. What is the converse process? So what was Easter's thing, what we got from Easter's experiment? And we know that like whenever there is a current flowing through or passing through a conductor, there will be a magnetic field around it. So they just thought about, like at that time only DC current was found. Okay, they just thought about what if a magnetic field can contribute an electric current? Okay, what if a magnetic field can help to produce electric current? That would be phenomenal. And then that happened. That is what is electromagnetic induction. So the thing is, how did that happen? Because there are two things. That is one is the famous, in lower classes we have studied, Faraday was the inventor, or Faraday discovered, or Faraday contributed this electric current by finding out the electromagnetic induction, the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction. But there is another thing, that is Faraday was from UK, and there is a US scientist Henry also contributed for the same independently. They were doing experiments independently on the same topic. But Faraday actually got the reward. I mean the reward in the sense all the scientific community agreed that as Faraday actually found out it first, and anyways he reported first, might be. So that is why electromagnetic induction, the father of electricity, we have studied from lower classes, that is father of electricity is Faraday. So this phenomenon is known as electromagnetic induction. What is electromagnetic induction? Whenever there is a change in magnetic flux, there will be an induced EMF or current. That phenomenon is known as electromagnetic induction. Don't worry about that. I will repeat it again in the coming videos. Okay, so but we have to learn. Look at this. So what if we just learn about electromagnetic induction and we are just going through the equations and stuff and all? So that is not a good thing. Why? Because we have to look at how did Faraday find out or contributed this marvelous thing? How did Faraday contribute this marvelous thing to us? So that thing we have to look at. So what we are going to do is we'll look at the Faraday's experiments first. So this is all about the introduction of electromagnetic induction. And now we are going to talk about, before going to talk about the Faraday's experiments, I would like to give you a brief idea about magnetic flux, and we have to solve some problems about magnetic flux. Okay, then we can easily understand the concepts that those are coming in our next couple of videos. So this is all about introduction, and the next video we will discuss about magnetic flux and then Faraday's experiments. Okay, thank you.